That certain night, the night we met, it was magic who brought in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, the nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London Sound, the puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, the nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. My tongue is stealing up our golden blue to interrupt our rendezvous. I still remember how you smiled and said, was that a dream or was it true? Our homeward steps were just as light as the tap dancing feet of a stair. And like an echo far away, the nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I know 'cause I was there that night in Berkeley Square. I know 'cause I was there that night in Berkeley.